Do subscribe to Clear Your Doubt channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest video update. Hey guys, this is Atish from Clear Your Doubt. In this video, I have covered the best way to promote your YouTube videos on Facebook. I always shared my videos with this trick. I get more views from Facebook. You can also create the large thumbnail video link for your video, and your video will be directly played in Facebook page too. Open to pixie.com. Link is given in the description box. Open any of your YouTube videos. Click on share button. Copy this URL and paste this here in the pixie.com. Wait for some time, it will generate a link with a large thumbnail, and once it is generated, copy the link and go to your Facebook page. Click on the right post and paste the URL here. And write something, whatever you want to write with this video. And yay, it's done. Quite easy to do. Click on publish. One more thing you can do with pixie.com is you can track all of your video links to get analytics. Try this trick and let me know if it works with you in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.